Looking for the perfect way to bond with your partner or challenge each other in a fun way? Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, We're Not Really Strangers. Let's kick things off with We're Not Really Strangers Couples Edition. Priced at about $25, this card game caught my eye with its promise of deep conversations and connection. If you want to explore the depths of your relationship, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this product solves your problem. It includes 150 conversation cards divided into 3 levels. Level 1 is all about perception, challenging you both to understand how well you know each other. Level 2 dives deeper, asking rarely posed questions that can unlock layers in your relationship. Finally, Level 3 allows for reflection, giving you a chance to discuss what you've learned about one another. With over 10,000 copies sold last month, it's clear many couples are finding value here. Now, some people complained about the lack of variety in the questions after multiple plays. Here's the thing though, while it might feel repetitive over time, it's the honesty and vulnerability that counts. Plus, you can always mix in your own personal questions to keep things fresh. This is perfect for you if you're looking to deepen your connection or enjoy more meaningful date nights. Skip this one if you prefer games that are purely competitive and don't want to get too personal. For the price, it's a great investment in your relationship. Now, if the depth of We're Not Really Strangers feels a bit intense, the next game is more casual and competitive. Product number 2, Sequence Game. Next up is the classic Sequence by Jax, available for about $21.77. It's a board game that combines strategy and a bit of luck, which caught my attention because it's suitable for all ages. If you want a game that's easy to learn but still offers a challenge, this is worth your consideration. So how does it solve your problem? Basically, you play a card from your hand and place a chip on the corresponding space on the board. The goal is to get 5 in a row before your opponent does. This simple setup encourages strategic thinking and can lead to some heated competition. The game is recommended for ages 7 and up and can accommodate 2 to 12 players, making it versatile for game nights with friends too. And with over 6,000 copies sold last month, it's a proven hit. However, some users pointed out that it can get a bit repetitive after a while. But here's my take. The joy comes from the competition and the social aspect. As long as you enjoy some friendly rivalry, it'll keep you engaged. This is perfect for you if you enjoy strategic games that are easy to pick up. Skip this if you're looking for something more narrative or immersive. For under $22, it's a solid addition to your game collection. All right, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who love classics with a twist. Product number 3, Magnetic Chess Game. Now, let's talk about the Magnetic Chess Game, priced at around $18.92. What drew me in was its portability and the unique magnetic feature. If you enjoy strategic games that really make you think, this one's worth a look. This game takes classic chess and adds an exciting twist with the magnetic stones that attract each other. You take turns placing stones upright in a rope, trying to be the first to use them all without triggering attraction. This tension makes each turn exciting, which is great for keeping both of you on your toes. It's designed for ages 4 and up, so you can even share it with the kids, making it a versatile family activity. With 4,000 units sold last month, it's clear it's popular. Now, a few reviews mention that the game might feel a bit simplistic for seasoned chess players, but here's the thing. It's meant to be a fun twist rather than a replacement for traditional chess, making it perfect for casual game nights. This is perfect for you if you're a fan of strategic games that are also fun and engaging. Skip this if you're looking for a hardcore chess experience. For under $20, it's a creative and entertaining option. Now, if you want something more focused on connection rather than competition, the next game should definitely catch your attention. Product number 3, Jumper 16-inch Convertible Laptop. The Jumper 16-inch convertible laptop comes in at $1,017.84. What really stood out for me was its 360-degree touchscreen design that allows you to use it in multiple modes. If you want a laptop that adapts to your creative needs, this is definitely worth considering. With a quad-core N95 processor that can boost up to 3.4 gigahertz and 16 gigabytes of RAM, this laptop provides ample power for running design programs smoothly. The 16-inch display with 1920 by 1200 resolution ensures that your artwork pops with vivid colors. The convertible design lets you switch from laptop to tablet mode effortlessly, which is essential for artists who might want to draw directly on the screen. Plus, it comes preloaded with Office 365, so you can get started on your projects immediately. With over 200 sales recently, it's gaining popularity among creators. However, some users have noted that the battery life could be better. Here's the thing. While it may not last all day under heavy use, it's still manageable for a few hours of focused work, which is typical for many powerful laptops. This is perfect for you if you want versatility in your workspaces. Skip this one if long battery life is your top priority. Given its features, I think it represents good value for those who need that flexibility. Now, if the jumper's price tag is too high for your liking, don't worry. The next one is a budget-friendly option that still packs a punch. Product number 5, Spice It Up by Why Don't We, retailing for about $30.92. I loved this game for its playful approach to intimacy and connection. If you're looking to add a bit of spice to your date nights, this is definitely worth a look. This intimacy card game includes 150 cards with various prompts that encourage getting to know each other on a deeper level. It's all about fostering connection and having fun, turning ordinary evenings into memorable experiences. The fact that it's backed by relationship therapists adds a level of credibility. With 3,000 sold last month, it's clearly resonating with couples. However, some reviews mention that the dares could feel a bit cheesy or forced. But here's the thing, if you embrace the silliness, it can actually bring you closer together and create some unforgettable memories. This is perfect for you if you're looking to inject some fun and intimacy into your relationship. Skip this if you prefer more serious gameplay. At this price point, it's a great way to keep the spark alive without breaking the bank. To wrap it up, we've covered some fantastic games today. We're not really strangers for deep conversations, Sequence for fun competition, the magnetic chess game for strategic play, the best self-intimacy deck for serious connection, and Spice It Up for lighthearted fun. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with Best Self-Intimacy Deck because it genuinely enhances communication in a meaningful way. Avoid Spice It Up if you're not ready for playful intimacy. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.